Alright. Here's our Mack garbage truck. Where are we going today, Bobby? We're gonna pick up some trash.
Yeah, we're gonna pick up trash.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Oh, wait, yours controlled?
They go together.
Air pressure's a little bit low.
Will you stop that?
Look at that ballistic windshield. That's a camouflaged, yeah, look at that. LED headlights. Let's go up on in here.
Oh my god, look at that.
What do you got, air doors?
It's air assisted door. Let's close it.
Huh.
It's because of this is the B kit. It's got the armor.
This is where you pop out and shoot people?
Oh Jesus. I don't even like getting into this thing.
I wish I could see more of this.
You wish you what? You stop that.
You were doing it with the door. Is it a little bit emergency brake?
You do not hit that. I don't know what that does, but you should not be touching that.
It's dark in here. Red, blue. Okay, I'll bike.
Will you not do that?
The blue. Oh, there we go.
What does it do? Oh.
You're blue now. And now we're red.
Oh, in case you need switch to preserve your night vision. It pushes, man.
Didn't the DeLorean make the same sound when... Close that door. Close it. I get out.
The other way, you push it.
Oh, you push it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I got it. So push to exit. Wow.
It like, you can see it actuate right there.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, I mean it moves. Like, put your hand, like, try to stop it. It like,
yeah. That's cool.